Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. If it's night, I hope your night is going well. So, guys, welcome back to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day, just as I am. I'm having a beautiful day. I am here giving God thanks for, a blessed day. I am here in Jamaica. I am in my mom's garden. I am close to the road, so definitely you're gonna hear a lot of noise. But I just want to give you a little peek of my mom's garden. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. My mom takes so much pride as it relates to her garden. Yes, this is something that she enjoy doing, and I am here just relaxing, relaxing because it's a beautiful, beautiful evening. It's a beautiful evening. So, I am here. I am here, and it's a beautiful day. A beautiful day to be thankful for. It's a little bit dark here, guys, but trust me when I tell you, it is so beautiful here. And I am really happy that I can able to give you a little glimpse of what my mom garden looks like. Yes. So this is it. This is it. Here I am in my mom's garden. And I tell you, it's such a beautiful, beautiful feeling, just to be out in nature, enjoy nature, and just to be alive. It is so much to be thankful for. I hope everyone is having a beautiful, beautiful day. I hope wherever you're watching me from, you are doing great. You are just having a beautiful evening, just as me here, just enjoying my evening. Enjoying my evening. Look at that, guys. Look, see those skin, banana, um, that's guava there. Yeah, it's guava, right? I tell you, when you're in the country area, you can't dead for hunger, man, because there's so much things here that you can just eat and just enjoy, and everything here is just natural. It's just natural, guys. So that's what your girl is up to. This is me, just having a beautiful evening, just chilling out, relaxing in my mom garden. I tell you, guys, look at that. You see, I tell you, my mom takes so much pride when it comes to her garden. This is something that she enjoy doing it. I mean, sometimes I would call her, and she would say she's outside. Sometimes the sun is so hot, and I'll say to her, come out of the sun, right? But she's in her garden, fixing up her garden. So let me just give you a glimpse, guys, of what my mom garden looks like. All right, so there you go. There you go. There you go. And her garden, it's a big place, right? So that's it up there. Beautiful. She takes so much pride in her garden, honestly. And I know she enjoy doing it, right? She does enjoy doing it. Even this morning, she was out. She was out in her garden. Yes, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Honestly, I love the country area. I grew up in Jamaica and I grew up in the country area where everything you can find everything. Banana, cane, over there you can see we have guava. I think it's guava time now. Guava time now, guys. So look, this is guava. There's so much guava. So much guava here. So much. Look at that. They're falling. They're falling off. Guys, look at that. That's guava, you know. Yes. Yes. That's guava there. We have cane. We have banana. We have that pear tree over there. And for sure, you can't stop talking about my mom. Beautiful garden. Yes, so much things here, guys. So much things here. I am in the countryside, guys, and it's a farming area. But let me tell you something. People take so much pride as it relates to their property, their surrounding. I mean, so that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yes, guys. So that's what is happening now. But I am here, and as I said, it's a beautiful evening. Beautiful, beautiful evening, guys. And I am here just taking it easy. Just taking it easy. Hope everyone is having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, as I am having a beautiful day, right? Just here chilling out, chilling and relaxing, just enjoying the nice atmosphere. It's so nice, as I said, just to be out here in nature. I love nature, so I don't mind, when I visit Jamaica, guys. Trust me, I love to come to my mom's house because so much things here. I'm close to the road. Yes, I'm close to the main road. As you can see, you're gonna see a lot of vehicles and so forth, but it's absolutely a beautiful place. A beautiful place, guys. So hope everyone is having a beautiful evening, as I am having a beautiful evening myself. Yes, I am having a beautiful evening. Beautiful evening. Beautiful evening in my garden. I hope all is well wherever you're watching me from. Hope that you are doing amazing. I am doing amazing. Here in Jamaica, came out for my in-law funeral. It was a beautiful funeral. It was a beautiful funeral, guys. Beautiful funeral. Everything went well. I mean, so much to be thankful for. So much to be thankful for. So that's what is happening right now. That's what is happening right now. So just as I said, this is just a little video of me sitting outside. It's maybe about after 6 now. Even is pretty nice. And I am here. I am here. Everybody's inside. I mean, just relaxing. But I said, why not come outside and do a little video, just showcasing my mom beautiful garden. Yeah, so that's what I am up to right now. But so guys, I come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, show love, show compassion. God bless you all. Walk good. And I will catch you in another video in Sarah's House of Flavor. Take care, everyone, and see you in another amazing video. Bye, everyone.